Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a ThorFire TK15. Now I was contacted by ThorFire Direct via email, and they asked me to review their product, and here it is. Comes in this box. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what's in. Comes with an extra set of O-rings. Comes with the manual. Now the manual on this here is quite small, so I'm going to go ahead and post these outputs and run times up on the screen, but it shows it has a drop resistant of 1 meter, and it also has an IPX8 waterproof rating of 2 meters. Alright, then we'll move on, and we're going to go ahead and show you the light. Here it is. And just bring it up to you guys closely so you can see it. Very nice machining on this. Anodizing is nice. And the clip is very stiff here. And this does come off. Steel bezel. Oh, you can set it down, not have to worry about scratching it. There's a place for a lanyard. Just a real nice job on the machining and the finish. Let's go ahead and look at that reflector. This is running the Cree XP-L2 LED in a smooth reflector. Now I've tested products from ThorFire previously, and I was very impressed with their previous models. Very nice. So let's go ahead and show you what cell I'm running in here, as well as let's take a look at the insides here. I'm going to take the head off here first. Now I'm running the eFest 2000 milliamp. These are a high drain unprotected cell, and I've had no issues with these whatsoever, and they're good all around basic performance for these single cell flashlights. Okay, I'll show you the head of the light. Now the threads are well greased, and the spring is pretty heavy duty there. And now I'll show you the tail cap. And there's the one on the tail cap. As you can see, it's greased as well. Show you the thickness on the barrel there. Okay, that's all back together. Let's go ahead and go through the UI. Now we're going to go through the UI. Now to get to moonlight from off, you're going to press and hold that, 0.5 lumens. And it's probably more like 1 or 2 lumens, but real close. And that is a warmer tint there. More like 4500K. Alright, so to get out of that, you just turn off the light. Now you go ahead and click that light, and now you get the 50 lumens. Click it again, you get 200 lumens. Click it again, you get 600 lumens. And that's turbo. And as you can see the spot there, and if you look at my hand, it's got a little bit of a warmer tint to that, more like 4500K. And it's kind of nice. So that's the beam. So now we're going to go ahead, any light output, if you press and hold it to turn it off and turn it back on, it does memorize your last output that you had it on, which is nice. So we're going to go ahead and turn that off. Now at any light output that you have it on, you can simply double click it to go into strobe. And that is a pretty fast strobe, kind of goes back and forth, speeds up and then slows down. Okay, so that's all there is to this light and the UI. So let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the ThorFire TK15. And we're going to start off, of course, on the moonlight. And that is faintly making maybe 7 to 10 feet here, right in front of me. See it on the ground here. Not bad at all. Okay, we're going to go to the next level here. And that's a little bit brighter, as you can see. And it is making 25 feet out. So we're going to go up to the next level. That's easily making 7 to 25 feet easily. So we're going to pan around. We're going to go, that's 65 feet out to that tree. Or excuse me, 60 feet. And along the fence line you can see fence line, tree line, fence line. Okay, we're going to go up to the next level. There we go, we're getting there. This is very usable light. 100% of this beam is usable. Very nice. I'm liking the color temperature on this too. All you fans of neutral light, this definitely would be the light for you. We're going to pan around here. And it is faintly making the tree of life. And we're going to go ahead and keep panning around here. And now we're going to go to the next level. And that is turbo. 1050 lumens. Not bad at all. Very nice. I'm going to go ahead, pan this around. This is very nice light output here. Look at that. Very impressed with this. Very nice. Clearly see it on the ground. In the tree, there's the beam there. So half on the ground, half on the trees. Very nice wide beam there. We're going to go over to the Tree of Life, and you can see across the park there a little bit with the bleachers there for the Little League baseball teams. And it is making the Tree of Life. Now this is a very floody beam. And it is faintly making the school. Sorry about the wind here. A little windy tonight. Very nice. Tree is 130 feet away. Very nice. We're going to go ahead and show you along the fence line here so you kind of see the range on this. Tree line, fence line. Doing really good here. We can go back to the water spout, 25 feet out. And we're going to end it here on the Tree of Life. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing did really well. I'm very surprised at the color temperature of the light, number one, which is very nice. It's kind of a warmer tint to that. Also, a solid construction and build quality on this. The finishing is really, really nice. This is just an all-around excellent light, and especially it's more of a budget series flashlight, which is also nice. Now, it doesn't come with the battery, so you'd have to buy that separately. Now, as far as performance, this did really well. I'm really liking the style on this. The style of this is definitely for everyday carry. Got some options for this clip, so it's going to make it more convenient. I just want to thank ThorFire Direct for sending me this product for review. And if you are interested in it, they have provided me a special discount code. You see right up on that screen, right about right there. And you can take advantage of some savings that that code will provide you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these flashlights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.